Right now I'm standing outside of my house. There is a road nearby, so I want to do a test here so that I understand how is the performance of this microphone when I'm outside of my house. You can see there are cars, maybe in my background you can see cars are moving. So I'm standing at around a distance of 10 feet from camera at this time, and slowly I am moving backwards. So I'm increasing the distance. As I'm increasing the distance, what I want to understand is there any interference or do the voice cuts. So now cars have started to come. Let's see how the performance of this microphone is. The voice or the sound of the cars are really very high, so I won't wonder there is a lot of distraction in this video at this time. So at this time I'm standing at distance of around 30 feet and I can't go beyond this. The road starts. I don't want to be on the road at this time. Okay, so this is going to be a very nice test of this microphone because I'm standing at a distance of at around 30 or 40 feet maybe. So if you guys can hear me from this distance, then yes, I'm not going to make any other test to show you that how this mic works from the near distance, because if this mic works at this distance, it's definitely going to work equally well at less distance as well. So I'm trying to move back and see if you guys can still hear me. I don't know if it's working or not. I will have to check the video again, but if it is working at this distance, then I will give a thumbs up. Plus you can see I'm standing near a pool. There is audio that you should be able to hear of water, so we have some jumping water here. So I want you to show a real life scenario, like if you are trying to shoot something outdoors and you have some noise nearby, how this microphone is going to perform. So this was an outdoor test. Let's go and see how this microphone is going to work inside home or inside your studio. Now I'm standing inside a room, so this can be your studio or your bedroom from where you make videos for your YouTube channel. So now, most importantly, first test that I want to do is the silence test. What I call is a silence test, because I will keep quiet for 10 seconds and let's see if there is any noise coming out. So I'm standing at a distance of around 6 feet. I can walk a bit behind. So this is like now 10 feet, which is sufficient distance or a typical distance that a YouTuber will shoot his or her videos from. So I can't understand if the camera is capturing my voice correctly or not. So let's go ahead, listen to the videos that I shot, and then I will share my views about the quality of this microphone, the hardware, as well as the sound that it captured. I used this microphone for some time. I went outside, I went near the roads, I checked inside the room, and I found this microphone is doing its job quite decently. It is capturing the audio that I'm speaking quite clearly. This audio that you are listening at is also being captured using the same microphone. So two major concerns I have. First is the hardware quality. The hardware quality is not good. It is built out of plastic, and that plastic is also delicate. So you need to be very careful when you are handling the equipment. Ensure that you do not fall it will break for sure. Another thing is the size of the microphone itself. It's quite big. I also tried to remove this windshield or wind puff they call. Still the microphone itself is big in size. Typically we see it, these microphones are really very small, but yes, given the fact that I paid only $35 for it, I'm giving it maybe 4 stars out of 5, but when it comes to the hardware quality, not more than 2 stars. Yes, so if you want to buy this microphone and you are a beginner, you can go for it. But if you are something like an audio engineer or who understands ins and outs of the audio, this is definitely not for you. A, the hardware is bad, B, the microphone is quite big in size, so it will highlight itself when you shoot the videos. But for the beginners, as I said, it will do the job that it is supposed to do. So why I bought this microphone? Because I wanted to shoot inside a room. So though this is not the room where I'm going to shoot my videos, but it will mostly be indoor shooting I will be doing, and I hope this microphone will serve the purpose. So this was Fifine microphone. What do you think of this microphone? Have you bought this microphone? Are you using this microphone? If yes, please leave your comments below, and I have also included a link using which you can make a purchase on the Amazon, the Fifine wireless microphone. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Catch you next time with another product review. Take care. Bye bye.